We are looking at some methods of protecting an area of grass so you can park on it. The easiest way to do this is to use a plastic mesh, which the grass roots will bond with to prevent rutting. The mesh you can use comes in a variety of thicknesses, from 650 grams per square metre right up to 2,400 grams per square metre. This lightweight mesh is 650 grams per square metre and is suitable for parking one family-sized car once or twice a day. You can see from this video that it is quite thin, so for more regular parking use a heavier mesh such as a 1200 or 1400 grams per square metre. This is a much heavier mesh at 2000 grams per square metre. This is more suitable for business car parks where cars are coming and going all day long. As you can see, this is a much thicker mesh at almost 1 centimetre thick, therefore better for protecting the grass from rutting. For a solution as strong as tarmac, you can use these pavers, made from recycled plastic, but more ground preparation is required. Details are on our website. These pavers fix together to cover any size area, and then the cells can be filled in with either gravel or topsoil, and then sown with grass seed, or for a quicker effect, push pieces of turf into each cell. To lay the mesh, first cut the grass as short as possible. Roll out the mesh curved side down, getting it as flat as possible, and secure it with the special U-pins. These are strong enough to hold the mesh in place until the grass grows through and the roots bond with it. Hammer in the pins 1 metre apart along the length and across the width. Extra pieces of mesh can then be added by laying them alongside the piece which has just been fixed. Again with the thick mesh, ensure the curved side is facing down. Only when the grass roots have grown through the mesh does it develop its full strength.